Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare VS Code and Visual Studio. Visual Studio Code is a lightweight, cross-platform code editor, while Visual Studio is a comprehensive integrated development environment, primarily for Windows. Understanding their core differences is key to choosing the right tool for your project. We'll explore their unique strengths and ideal use cases to help you decide which one best suits your development needs and workflow. Visual Studio Code shines with its speed and minimal resource usage, often consuming around 200 megabytes of RAM. It's incredibly versatile, supporting countless programming languages through its extensive marketplace of extensions. Being cross-platform, it runs seamlessly on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Plus, it's completely free and open source, making it an accessible choice for developers worldwide. Visual Studio offers a robust, all-in-one development experience, particularly strong for enterprise-level .NET, C++, and Azure projects. It boasts powerful integrated debugging, profiling, and testing tools, alongside advanced refactoring capabilities. Its comprehensive features extend to robust project management and seamless team collaboration, making it ideal for complex, large-scale applications within the Microsoft ecosystem. To make your choice, consider VS Code for web development, scripting, or any lightweight project where speed and cross-platform flexibility are paramount. Opt for Visual Studio when tackling large-scale .NET, C++, or enterprise applications, especially if you're working within the Windows environment. Many developers find value in using both tools, leveraging their distinct strengths for different tasks and project requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.